So here it is. How cute! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you're new here, please make sure that you are subscribing to this channel and like this video if you liked it. All right, y'all, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing or an unbagging, whichever one you want to refer to it as. But yeah, I gifted myself this bag for hitting 30,000 followers on Instagram and because I wanted to pick up something nice. Like, just as simple as that. Regardless if I hit 30K or not, I was gonna get this bag. Okay, so I picked up something from Mcm. This is how it comes packaged. Now I picked up my bag in store at Lenox Mall here in Atlanta, Georgia. For so long, I have been looking for this bag and I could not, like, for the life of me, find it. Like, online, it was always sold out online. It comes in different variations and like different colors, but none of them, I was like, I just want the original cognac color. I just need that. And the person who inspired me to get this bag was Mcm. I seen her post about it on her YouTube. I've seen her like style it a little bit. And ever since then, I was like, I need that. But since she posted it, it hadn't been available online or anywhere for that matter, as far as I'm aware of. So this is how it came when I went into the store. Just got my cute little Mcm bag here. And then the bag comes inside in a dust bag like this. Now, this is how, since I got mine in store, this is how my receipt came. It came packaged like this in this cute little slip. And I will tell y'all the price of this bag because since I purchased this bag went up. Like, there was a price increase. And I'm just like, Mcm, come on now. Like, what? They did increase the price to $750 online. It is selling for $750. I don't know if that's the same case as in store, but I know that when I purchased this bag, I purchased mine for $650, excluding tax. And when I went home that night, I looked online and it was still sold out online. So once they uploaded it to the website as well, it was showing as $650. And then literally 2 days ago, I'm filming this on a Saturday. 2 days ago, I checked just randomly and it went up to $750. And to be honest with you, I'm just like, I don't know about that, child. But anyways, and then like I said, the bag comes in a dust bag that says Mcm and it's a drawstring. And y'all, I am so happy that I got this bag when I got it. So here it is. How cute. This is the Mcm Rockstar Vanity case. Y'all, it is so freaking cute. I'm gonna take the plastic off in just a second, but I want y'all to see. Y'all. Okay, so let me tell y'all a story. Let me tell y'all the story behind this bag. So when I was walking out of Lenox Mall, I seen that there was an Mcm standalone store. So I walked in and I specifically knew exactly what I wanted from Mcm. I didn't want anything else except for this bag. So I just went in on a whim and I walked in. I was talking to the lady that works at Mcm and I was like, hey, do y'all have the Rockstar Vanity case in the cognac color in stock? And she looked at me immediately and she was like, no, we don't have that. Mind you, it was her and another lady, right? So the lady that I'm speaking with, she was like, no. And then the other lady was standing off to the side. We don't have that. And I was like, dang. So she shows me another bag and that obviously wasn't it. And I was like, no, that's not the one that I'm talking about. I'm talking about the vanity case. And at this point, the other sales associate is listening and watching and she goes, no, that's not the one she's talking about. She's talking about the one that we just got in. And I'm like, just got in? Like, is it here? So the lady goes, no, that's not the one. She's talking about the one that's on display that we just got in. So the lady that's helping me is looking around and she's walking towards the display that's in the back that I can't see. So she's looking down and the other lady's like, no, look up on the wall. And she's looking like she's so frustrated with the girl that she herself goes to the side and goes to the back where the display is. And when I tell you the lady came around the corner with this bag on display, I was like, that's the bag. I was like, that's the bag. Give me the bag. So she gives it to me and I'm just looking at it in the mirror. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is it. Like, if there's a reason why I want to celebrate 30K on Instagram, give me this as the gift, okay? So immediately I knew then, I was like, I need this bag. So I looked at it. It was really cute. Becca was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna tell you, it's so cute. And I bought it. And it's crazy because while I was waiting for her to package it up, the other lady was standing off to the side. I started talking to her and I was like, y'all just got this bag in today? She was like, yeah, we just got a shipment of them this morning. They only received 5 of them and it's been 2 years since they had this bag in store. So cute. And this was they only haven't 5 since 2 years.
Yeah, they haven't gotten in 2 years. Now they have 5. Well, now they have 4.
And I believe Jaranika uploaded her video maybe like a little over a year ago. And I was like, I'm just never gonna get this bag. It's never gonna come back in stock. Like, they discontinued it, but yo, I'm so happy. And I'm really happy that I posted about it on my stories because a few of y'all said that y'all bought the bag. And some of y'all even showed me like screenshots showing that you purchased the bag. So I'm so happy that I could help y'all. And hopefully y'all bought the bag when I posted about it because it was still the original $650 and not the $750 that they're talking about right now. All right, y'all, the plastic is off of the bag. This is it up close and personal. I just wanted to get some more shots of the bag outside of just the clips that I put on the side. The gold hardware, like I stated before, is so nice. Very, very pretty. And this is the inside. Let me show you all real quick. This is how spacious the inside is. How nice. Like, I have a remote for my Sony ZV-1 and I can just put it right in there easily. Like, I will put my phone in there, but I'm using it as my mic. But yeah, literally a whole remote from my Sony ZV-1 can fit in here comfortably. Obviously, your cards are gonna be able to go in there. Your phone should be able to go in there. Let me show you all. So this is my phone. I have it hooked up. And then this is the remote for comparison purposes. Like, the remote is longer than my phone, so I know for a fact my phone is gonna fit in there with ease. It's very structured. As you can see, I've already taken out the cushion and it's still holding its shape. This MCM monogram all over it doesn't bother me. I think it works well with this color and this style of the bag, so like, it's so cute. I also tried it on crossbody and it works nicely as well. It doesn't come off the body too much, you know, because it's kind of a boxy type of bag, so it doesn't sit on the body too far out where it's uncomfortable. But yes, I cannot wait to wear this. I plan on wearing mine mainly like a top handle, but it does come with a crossbody strap, so I'm probably gonna wear it as a crossbody too when I'm just feeling real casual, whatever the case may be. And I will also leave this bag linked down below. Hopefully they're still in stock, okay? Hopefully. And I believe online, if you go to the MCM website, once you like go to the website, there should be a pop-up that gives you like a 10% discount or something like that. So hopefully that'll help towards your purchase if you decide to purchase from the MCM website. If you have this bag yourself, leave a comment down below letting me know how you love this bag, how you like it, whatever the case may be. And if you're thinking about purchasing it, let me know as well, because we can be twins, sis. We can be twins about it. All right, y'all, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.